World Migratory Bird Day is a global educational and awareness campaign dedicated to promoting the conservation of migratory birds and their cross-border journeys. Coordinated by a global network of conservation partners, the campaign focuses on protecting migratory birds across various flyways worldwide. Key partners include the Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals (CMS), the Agreement on the Conservation of African-Eurasian Migratory Waterbirds (AEWA), the East Asian-Australasian Flyway Partnership (EAAFP), and Environment for the Americas (EFTA). Celebrated twice a year, in May and October, World Migratory Bird Day highlights the seasonal patterns of bird migration and the peak periods in both the northern and southern hemispheres. These celebrations inspire hundreds of educational events worldwide, all united by a shared mission to raise awareness and advocate for international bird conservation. Each year, the campaign introduces a central theme that drives coordinated global efforts to protect migratory birds and their habitats.
On October 12, 2024, the second celebration of this year's World Migratory Bird Day calls for urgent, sustained action to safeguard both migratory birds and the insects they rely on for survival. The theme for 2024, Protect Insects, Protect Birds, underlines the vital role that insects play in the life cycle of many migratory birds and highlights the concerning global decline in insect populations. The Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals, CMS, a United Nations biodiversity treaty and a key partner of the World Migratory Bird Day campaign, conducted a pioneering study on insect decline and its impact on migratory species. This study, Insect Decline and Its Threat to Migratory Insectivorous Animal Populations, was presented at the 14th session of the Conference of the Parties, COP14, in Samarkand, Uzbekistan. The study found that the decline of insects is significantly contributing to population losses among many migratory insectivorous species, those that depend on insects as their primary food source. Insects are crucial not only for the survival of migratory birds but also for bats, fish, and other wildlife. Their decline can disrupt ecosystem functions and alter habitats, leading to further challenges. For example, changes in vegetation due to fewer insects may reduce cover for ground-nesting birds or decrease the availability of insect-pollinated fruits for frugivorous, fruit-eating, species.
In light of these challenges, World Migratory Bird Day 2024 serves as a crucial reminder of the interconnectedness of ecosystems and the need for collective action to address the decline of insects and protect migratory birds. By raising awareness of these issues and encouraging conservation efforts, the campaign aims to foster global cooperation in safeguarding both insects and the birds that rely on them. Through sustained efforts and international collaboration, we can help preserve the delicate balance of our natural world, ensuring that future generations can continue to witness the incredible journeys of migratory birds across the planet.